Good morning. How often have you used the mainframe today? Probably more than once, and probably without even recognizing it. You paid for your coffee with a credit card, you checked into a hotel, you changed an airline reservation. These everyday tasks run on systems designed to handle the data, transactions, and applications that are sitting at the core of enterprises like banks, insurance companies, airlines, and so on. Why do enterprises rely on this kind of technology so much? A few stats tell the story. Mainframes are built for incredible scale and security. A single system is capable of running 33 billion encrypted transactions per day. They are built for extreme reliability. 8 nines of availability, meaning only 1 hour of downtime every 10,000 years. It is that combination of security, scale, and availability that leads to 70% of the world's financial transactions running through mainframe systems. But IBM's enterprise lineup is broader than just mainframes. We have IBM Z mainframes, LinuxONE and Power servers, and storage systems. And the entire portfolio has been refreshed in the last 9 months with AI deeply embedded into everything. Take, for example, the Telum 2 and Power 11 microprocessors. They have on-processor AI acceleration for in-transaction fraud detection at millisecond scale with hundreds of thousands of transactions per second. Or take our storage systems. We automatically vectorize the data in those storage systems, make them accessible in RAG pipelines without sacrificing enterprise capabilities like data replication, access controls, versioning, and so on. The infusion of AI is spreading fast into the core of enterprise processes. Take healthcare for an example. You have a complicated healthcare insurance claim. You call up the insurance company. Instead of bouncing between a bunch of agents and it taking days or weeks to resolve your issue, AI can help to parse your medical documents, match them up against insurance policy details, medical codes, and stuff like that, and you can resolve your issue in a couple minutes while you're still on the phone. But this example is not just about speed and how AI helps with speed. It's about security. It's your healthcare data. So that's why we built security in from the start. The same dynamics play out in how enterprises run themselves. AI can support IT ops. AI can monitor systems and self-heal systems instead of paging an operator in the middle of the night when something goes wrong. Or take DevOps. These enterprises have code bases with tens or hundreds of millions of lines of code. Using AI, teams can understand, document, and refactor software projects now in days or weeks that would otherwise have taken months or even years. The world of computing is hybrid. Just like mainframe systems bring unique capabilities for enterprise IT applications compared to distributed systems, we need to build AI solutions that also address the needs in terms of security, scale, availability that enterprises need to deploy this technology at their core. Which brings me to IBM Spyre. Spyre is the first in a series of AI accelerators that we're designing. The first ones are actually shipping next week. Spyre is not a GPU. It's a very different architecture, a data flow accelerator designed specifically to meet the efficiency, availability, and scale needs that enterprises have. Now, the most important part for this community maybe is we've been working very closely with Meta and the broader PyTorch community to introduce data flow acceleration natively into PyTorch. That will allow enterprises to utilize AI by running PyTorch on Spyre and other future data flow accelerators seamlessly. If you want to see this in action, come to the IBM booth. We have a full-blown IBM mainframe system there with Spyre cards running PyTorch. See you there, and we can talk more about the technical details. Thank you.